Hi friends, and welcome to Book a Day for Little Learners. Today we are going to read Byron Barton's Machines at Work. Hey you guys, let's get to work. Knock down that building, bulldoze that tree, dig up that road, load that truck, dump that rubble. Now let's eat lunch. Next, dig a hole. Mix the cement. Lift that beam. Build that building. Build that road. Okay, stop the machines. Let's go home. More work tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed Machines at Work, friends. I'll see you tomorrow.